15 years ago today, at 5 o'clock in the morning, your voice was the one that set JBC on its way. Can you remember now how it felt then?
Charlie, I'll never forget it. I can tell you, I was nervous, man. Of course, it was exciting, it was interesting, but all the time I was wondering how this is going to sound. You know, we had dry runs for a month, you know, and some of that was just inside the studio. No, I was conscious, man. The morning I woke up about 4 o'clock, you know, and all the time I was putting on my clothes and saying, well, no, this is it, you know. Because this is going out now, it's going to hit everybody outside. And I wonder if when them hear them going, so what the juice with them find this guy put on this thing. Anyway, I went boldly and made up my mind, and fellas like you shake my hand and say, best of luck, and everybody, the best of luck, you know. And I said, boy, I need it. And I meant that I needed it. And, well, when I said the first few words opening the station, I felt that, you know, well, to me it don't sound too bad. I don't know how it sound outside. And then after a while, what began to grow on me, I began to lose the nervousness. You know that when we're backstage in a play team, the opening night, and we're in the wings, we feel this nerve, but as you step out, that's it. It's gone, the nerve is gone. Well, this was happening to me after a minute, you know. I began now to feel that, well, this is all right. The big thing is this is the first thing going out on the national station, and this is the beginning of the national station, and so it must be good. And then I really pulled myself together and went to work, and well, after I finished, you fellas run around and say, it's good, you know, so I was relieved, you know.
Do you remember what was the first story you told them, right?
You know, I think I remember, Charles. I told them a story about the umbrella, you know. It's a little limerick, you know, and I hope I can remember it now to tell you, Charles. The rain, it falls upon the just, and on the unjust fella, but mostly on the just, because the unjust steals the just umbrella, the umbrella, the umbrella, the umbrella, the umbrella.